Look out, y'all. About to head up here to the hood track one time for the one time. We on the way. coming now? Head up. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got the security over here, y'all. Y'all favorite security. Got y'all favorite security, y'all. Hey, girl. I said, hey, girl. We happy to see you. They all say they happy.
Racing?
Yeah, we racing.
You don't have to go to the other line.
Alright, I ain't racing no more. I don't want to race no more.
Alright.
Alright. Gonna have to go to the other line, guy. Blup, blup. Okay. Okay. We got a couple cars in the line. We about to see what we working with. Looks like they trying to get 2 lines going. Let me roll my window up. How's it going, miss?
Want to come in?
Oh, yeah, so they don't say nothing, miss. Alright, thank you, ma'am. You have a nice day. Oh, okay. Put my little band on. That way we don't have no security complaining. Dude, I seen you at the freaking racetrack, man. You didn't have a freaking band on. I didn't know if you freaking streamed at the racetrack or not. But there's like proof since you didn't have an armband on. So River's going to regulate per my job security. I have to check on guy. I'm gonna have to make sure everyone is safe here at the Yello Belly drag strip, you know. So in order for me to do my job correctly, man,